How do you make money from your email newsletter without sending any emails? That's the topic of today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. And here you go. You can see we're making money every few hours, $6, $10 every day, pretty much. And this is passive. We're not sending emails, or to be able to make this income, you don't have to send emails. And I'll show you all the steps in just few seconds. Basically, it's a 4-step system to be able to generate income like this. I was thinking of calling this video a perfect passive income, or the best passive income feature or tool or system, but I know a lot of people don't like the word passive, but this is pretty close to making money without doing much, without sending emails. And I'm going to show you everything step by step, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So it's a 4-step process. You're going to create an account, and I'll show you which tool I'm using. And then there's a hidden feature you need to enable, you need to use, and then different tips and tricks. And also there are other active income options or active monetization features that you can enable inside this tool. The tool is called Beehive. It's a newsletter platform. I'm gonna make sure there's so many awesome features inside this. To me, the best one is you being able to make income without sending email newsletter, because that is, if you think about this, that is huge. Link is gonna be below, and yes, it is my affiliate link. But you will get a huge discount for up to 3 months. I believe you can save up to like 20%. But this is amazing. This is one of the best ways I have run agency. I've created content. I've worked with brands. I've created online courses. I've done e-commerce. This is one of the best ways I have made money online. Emails without sending emails, actually. All right, so let me show you. Once you kind of like sign in using, make sure you use the link I have below. Let me go back. Here is the dashboard. So that's how you're going to create an account. Use my link, create an account. And then your dashboard is actually going to look like this. And actually, before I show you how to enable, I'm going to show you how this actually works. So here's my email newsletter that I've created on Beehive platform. And I do send emails regularly because I make money passively, but then I also make money actively by sending these emails. I'll show you that too. Remember step number 4, other monetization options in addition to passive. So I'll show you that too. So here's how this works. You will have your email newsletter when people sign up. So imagine your users, your visitors go and they sign up. Here's what's going to happen. So let me get rid of this. They will be offered to subscribe to other newsletters. So when people sign up to your email list, they have an option to sign up for other people's email list, and that's how you make money passively without sending any emails. And I'll show you how you're gonna enable this. But that is how inside Beehive, it's a whole network. The newsletters are sending email subscribers to each other. They're promoting each other, which is amazing, because if you pick good newsletters that appeal to your audience, that appeal to your visitors, guess what? They're gonna sign up and you're gonna make money. So I'm gonna go back. And now that's how this works. So I'll show you how to enable this. So here's my dashboard. You can see, you can go through this. There's monetization options, different emails that you send. You're gonna see here, monetization option is here. And then wallet shows you the money that we're making every few hours, every day, pretty much, from boosts. All right, that feature is actually called Boost, and you do need to be on one of the paid plans, but it's like $30, I believe. So what you make by having that paid plan is just unbelievable. It's amazing. So here's the total revenue. I believe this is last like 30 days. And if you scroll down, here are different email newsletters or publications that I am promoting. So when people sign up, they get to opt into these. And once they do, you can see I'm making $2 per subscriber. Here's the max payout. That's actually email. And then here's the how much. They do verify subscribers before you make money. So if you look at this, so pending, so 42 subscribers need to be verified and I'll get paid. 84 have been verified. And if you do the math, 84 times 2, I've made $168 by promoting this newsletter, this publication. And if you go back up, you can see the numbers here. Here's the total revenue, verified subs, active boost. So boost is how many other publications you are promoting. Now, how do you use this feature? So once you create an account, if you're an email list, you can import that. You can also create like email capture forms for your website, for your social media. It's totally up to you. But once you have an account, here's what you're going to do. Under monetized, go to boosts, and you're going to explore offers. This is the marketplace, Boost Marketplace. Here are hundreds and thousands of other email newsletters just like you, and they want subscribers and they want other people to promote them. And that's how this Boost Marketplace works. And what you want to do is a couple of I hinted, tips and tricks. So don't just randomly apply to any of these offers. What you want to do is, in my opinion, you can search or you can pick a category. So for example, one of my category is artificial intelligence. You can kind of browse through these to business, design, economy, you name it. They have pretty much everything. So select your category, or you can select multiple. You can also select the countries. And then now you can see I've applied to some of these. And by the way, you will have to apply to a bunch before people accept you, because especially in the beginning, people may not accept you early or quick enough. So once you see something, here's another thing. You can also sort by highest payout, because some of these newsletters pay. So for example, this one pays $3.02. 20 cents per subscriber. That's awesome. So let's say I want to apply. You'll click on apply, and then you can submit the application as is. Or what I would suggest is use this box and tell them about your email newsletter. You can tell them, hey, here's how many subscribers I have. Or you can tell them, hey, I'm driving traffic. I'm a beginner. I'm driving traffic from, let's say, Instagram or TikTok. So give them some background. It also shows here, if you provide context, they're more likely to accept your application. So the owner of Viral Digest, they're more likely to accept your application if you have some context here. One of the things I like to do is I like to tell them, hey, you're right about AI. Guess what? My audience is also into AI or marketing or social media or whatever your audience is. So give them some context, give them a reason or few reasons so they can accept your offer. And that's what I believe you do get 25 applications per month. Let me see. Yeah, you do get 25 applications per month, and then you have to wait and you can apply more the next month. But that 25 is a lot. Usually if you apply to that many, you will get accepted in some of those. And you can see here in my dashboard, some of those accepted me, but they're paused. Some are inactive, because I also pay attention to which one are working best. And I'm sure they do the same thing. So you can pause, make them inactive, make them active. You can do all kinds of stuff. So you see, we haven't even talked about creating your email newsletter. The Boost Marketplace of Beehiiv is one of the, in my opinion, best ways you can generate revenue online. One of the best ways you can create an online business around email newsletters without actually sending them. But obviously, once you start sending email newsletter, you can make money in many different ways by promoting your products, affiliates, courses, e-commerce. Well, another cool thing is, that's the last thing I want to show you, some other options. So Boost is one of their monetization options. The other is ads. So this is where other brands will want you to run ads in your email newsletters, and you can also monetize your email newsletter that way. So you can do passive income via Boost, or ads by looking at the ads platform. And the way this looks like is, if I go to, let me show you, here's the one I sent last time. By the way, if you're not signed up to my email newsletter, you should be, because I send trainings like this, marketing, AI, how do you create online businesses, every single week, and also some awesome tools. So if I go to overview, let's actually, oh, here you go. So the ad I used in this email newsletter was HubSpot. So whoever clicked on this, and obviously they have some rules, but I was able to generate some income by including that ad spot. So if you step back, this is amazing. You can use Boost to generate income without doing much, right? You get that. But then you can also find partners from the ad marketplace. You don't have to email people, you don't have to get on the call, you don't have to spend a bunch of time. They come to you, and then you can also make money actively. So amazing platform, Beehive. The link is gonna be again below. It is my affiliate link, but I think you're gonna love this, especially if you have online business. Everyone who has online business, they should have email list, email newsletter, and this is one of the best platforms. Any questions about this, or in general, if you want to learn more about email marketing, how do you grow your email list, where do you promote, how I promote my email list, because there are definitely tactics you can use, let me know in the comments and I can create more content, more videos, and answer your question. And do make sure you join my email list. You will get a list of 100 plus AI tools, but then also awesome content like this, tutorials, videos like this every single week. Now, before you go, like and share so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.